Do you know what is a PTA Reflections program? Hey, this is Shanshan from North Dakota PTA. I'm your PTA Reflections chair for the state of North Dakota. When we talk about art competition, it's very easy to imagine a 2D, 3D artwork. However, this reflection competition is way more than that. We have many different categories. So, for example, you can do dance choreography, you can do film productions. You know, nowadays students are so smart. They know how to use their smartphone or use their computer to edit and put story together. There's literature, so you can write a poem, you can write a story, essay, you know, in whichever form. You can even write one in your mother tongue, and as long as it's an English translation is included. You can do music composition, which is coming up with a song, and you know, you can perform by yourself or have someone else perform it for you. You can also do photography, and of course the 2D, 3D arts. Students can pick one or many categories to create their own entries while reflecting on the annual theme. For this year, it is I Matter Because. If your school PTA has been very active in promoting reflections, please just follow their instructions, how they wish to collect the entries, and their due date is probably going to be mid-January. However, if it is not being promoted, no one's running the program, you're still welcome to participate by entering online yourself. Go to North Dakota PTA's website, which is ndpta.org. Then you'll find links to reflections. I'd like to be able to host some kind of online workshop. Would you be interested? Draw this a line here. What time work out best for you? I will welcome any students, North Dakota students, as long as you go to a school that has a PTA, or if you're being homeschooled, you can join any local PTA in North Dakota to qualify to participate in this competition. I used to have my kids turning their artwork, and one year they say, well, there's no one in charge of reflection at PTA anymore, so I step in. That's how I got started. So it's been fun, rewarding, and I think what matters the most to me is that there's so many students that's just so talented. I'm sure you know a kid or two that's just totally excel art-wise. They're good writers. They can do funny killer videos. They dance well, or you know, have a very creative mind. We're always surprised by what the students come up with. So I'm looking forward to having students participate. You know, since this is a national competition, I'm only in charge of the state of North Dakota. So if they are from a different state, they're from Minnesota or some other states, you simply visit pta.org/reflections. But for North Dakota, I'm your person, so any question, let me know. Let's get it started. And I hope you have fun, and I hope all our kids, all the students, get a chance to express themselves, to shine, and you know, we never know what they can do, but if not given a platform, then no one ever know, right? So that's the message for today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.